Oh, poor little guy here. Get him back in the water. If possible. If you can't, then just leave him be. Poor guy's like scared out of his brain by now. Spice bush. That's good. I'm gonna put those like little leaf things in my pocket. Here, just drop him in the water. He'll be okay.
You think I can just drop him?
I think so. Better than slipping and falling down there. My God. Sort of funny. Whee! Aw. There are a ton of fish down here. Like a crap load. Oh, I guess not. Water's like up to that knot. Aw.
This knot? Or what knot?
Oh God, not that knot. No, that bump. It's sort of sad. This song is fucked up. It's like not even instruments, just this guy going and like weird swords and they sped it up. That shit's cool.
Yeah, I found a frog.
Froggy! Bouncy, haha. All these craps are stuck to my ankles. Crap, my coat.